Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Telegram has significantly evolved its monetization options for channel owners. Previously, the primary way to earn money from a Telegram channel was through direct deals with advertisers or using third-party ad platforms. However, Telegram has now introduced its own official ad platform and a revenue sharing model for channel owners. Here's an updated step-by-step guide on how to enable ads on your Telegram channel and understand its monetization. Let's start with understanding Telegram's official ad platform and monetization. Telegram's official advertising system is designed to be privacy conscious and unobtrusive. Ads appear as small, sponsored messages at the bottom of public channels. They are not based on user data but on the content of the channel itself, making them highly relevant to the audience. These are some of the key points of Telegram's official monetization. First, for channel owners, that is the publishers. These are the eligibility. Your public channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers to be eligible for monetization through Telegram's official ad platform. Also, revenue share is also key, so channel owners are eligible to receive 50% of the revenue generated from ads displayed in their channels. This is a very generous share compared to many other platforms. We have payouts here. Earnings are paid out in Ton coin, that is the cryptocurrency associated with Telegram's Ton blockchain. We also have no user data tracking. Telegram emphasizes that ads are displayed based on the channel's topic, not on users' private data. We have premium user exemption. Telegram premium subscribers don't see ads in channels, meaning fewer ad impressions from this segment of your audience. Now for advertisers, advertisers use the Telegram ads platform to create and run sponsored messages. They pay based on a CPM, that is cost per mile. This model means that they pay for every 1,000 impressions their ad receives. The minimum CPM is 0.1 ton coin. Ads can link to other Telegram channels, bots, or specific posts within Telegram. External links are generally not allowed in official Telegram ads as well. So this is a step-by-step now guide to enabling ads on your channel. To enable ads and start earning from your Telegram channel, you need to use the Telegram ad platform on a desktop browser. So these are the prerequisites to it. Your channel must be public and your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers as well, and you must be the owner of the channel. And now let's get to the steps. First, access the Telegram ad platform, and this is how to do that. First, go to your favorite browser. I'm inside Google Chrome here. You can use Firefox, Safari, etc. on a computer. Now go to the official Telegram ads platform by searching for it here this way, ads.telegram.org, and then enter. Now log in, enter the mobile number associated with your Telegram account. Telegram will send a confirmation message, that is a login code, directly to your Telegram app on your phone. Enter this code into the browser. You now need to choose account type, that is for advertisers but relevant for understanding. When you first access the platform, you might be prompted to choose between a personal account or an organization account. For channel monetization, while the platform is primarily for creating ads, it's also where you manage the monetization aspect. Ensure that you are logged in with the account that owns the channel you want to monetize. Now go ahead and navigate to monetization settings, that is this one within Telegram app. Once you are logged into the ad platform on your desktop, the actual setting to enable ads on your channel is found within the Telegram app itself. Open the Telegram app here. Now go to the specific public channel that you own and wish to monetize. Tap on the channel name at the very top of the screen to open its info page. Now tap on settings or this pencil icon to edit. Look for a section like statistics or monetization. Within that section, you should find an option to enable ads or allow sponsored messages. Just toggle that to that setting to on. Now monitor earnings and withdraw. These are some of the future steps for it. Once enabled, Telegram's step system will automatically start displaying relevant sponsored messages in your channel. You can monitor your earnings and performance through the Telegram ad platform, the one we were in. and then look for monetization or earnings tab within the platform. Telegram states that channel owners can withdraw their earnings in Toncoin with no fees. So details on the exact withdrawal process will be available on the platform as you actually do the earnings. So we have some alternative monetization methods as well. So these are some of the other methods that you can earn beyond official ads. So while Telegram's official ads are a great new revenue stream, they are not the only way to monetize your channel. Many channel owners will rely on these methods. So we have direct advertising deals as the first way, and this is how this works. Other businesses or channel owners pay you directly to post their advertisements as regular messages in your channel. These are the pros to it. You have full control over the ad content, pricing, and scheduling. It can be more lucrative for large, engaged channels. The cons to it are these: requires direct negotiation, finding advertisers, and managing the process yourself. We have affiliate marketing as well, and this is how this works. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. These are the pros to it. It can be passive income, no need to deal with inventory. The cons to it, it requires audience trust and relevant product selection. Now, selling your own products or services is another way also to monetize here in Telegram. And this is how this works. Use your channel as a platform to sell your own digital products. That's either ebooks, courses, some clothing, or physical goods, or services like consulting, coaching, training, and many more. The pros to it: full control over profit margin, builds your brand. The cons to it is that it requires product creation, customer service, and potentially payment processing. Now, these are some of the best practices for maximizing ad revenue, that is official ads and also otherwise. Grow your audience. More subscribers means more ad impressions and more attractive channel for direct advertisers. Also maintain high engagement. Active subscribers who view your post regularly translate to higher ad revenue and better ad performance. Also post quality content. Make sure that you have quality content. Another thing is understand your niche. Ads are targeted by channel topic. The clearer your niche is, the more relevant the ads will be, and potentially leading to better CPMs for advertisers and thus better revenue for you. Also, consistent posting schedule is key. Adhere to Telegram's guidelines as well. Ensure that your channel content and any direct ads you place comply with Telegram's ads policies and terms of service to avoid restrictions. So by utilizing Telegram's official monetization features and strategically employing of other methods, channel owners now have robust options and you can earn revenue from your communities. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.